There is a prediction of more intense, if not more frequent, severe weather events, and also changes in where those patterns might occur. Why is that?
That's absolutely right. As the ocean heats up, the ocean, remember, is one of the primary engines for hurricane or tropical storm activity. So as the ocean heats up, it gives more fuel to tropical storms. But you have to remember that tropical storms are complex beasts. They depend not just right
Queensland, yep.
Of course. And they depend not only on the oceans, but also what the atmosphere is doing.
Yes.
So it's a complicated relationship between them. And it's hard to say just yet that we've caused stronger storms.
Yeah.
The data records aren't quite good enough. But we do think that looking out into the future, there's a good chance that storms will become more intense. More frequent, maybe, we don't really know, but probably the storms we do have will become more intense.
And so, given the gradual rise in sea level, as that story plays out, I guess the combination of the two is the real risk factor, isn't it? Given that so much coastal infrastructure is right on the coast right now.
That's absolutely right. If you live on the coast, you don't just care about global sea level rise. You also care about the frequency of storms, you care about the tides, you care about everything that affects your local sea level. And what we see looking out into the future is that global sea level will cause these events to come more frequently. As global sea level rises, then the storm surges that happen once every 100 years may happen once every 10 years. So we really have to begin to plan for rising sea levels. But the big science question that remains with global sea level is, how is it going to rise in the next 100 years?
Yeah.
We've had about 20 centimeters in the last 100 or 150 years of global sea level rise. But the question is, in the next 100 years, will we get another 20 centimeters or will we get 2 meters?
And there are some suggestions it could be even more than that. So tell us why such a broad range.
Well, the real uncertainty in what's going to happen in global sea level is locked up in the ice sheets. We have these massive ice sheets containing huge amounts of water in both Greenland and Antarctica. And as these warm, as the waters surrounding them warm, as the atmosphere warms, we really don't have a good understanding of how exactly they're going to react. This is the big uncertainty.